Today's warm-up problems, first one asks us to find the domain and range of this function. Domain is the x values that belong to the function. So we're looking left to right. The smallest x value appears to be -2. There is a point at -2. And the biggest x value is right over here, 8. That would be my domain. And the range, we're doing the same thing, but we're checking the y values. The smallest one's -1, and the biggest one is 5. -1 to 5 for my range. Number 2 asks us to solve an absolute value equation. Remember, absolute value equations have up to 2 solutions. Sometimes one or more of them are extraneous. We're going to start by subtracting 5 from both sides. Cancel out the 1/2 by multiplying both sides by 2. So I get absolute value of x minus 3 equals 4x minus 18. Therefore, x minus 3 is either equal to 4x minus 18, or x minus 3 is equal to the opposite of 4x minus 18, which would be -4x plus 18. Solve each equation. This gives me x equals 5. Divide both sides by 5. Here I get -21 over 5. And then make sure you check your solutions on the calculator. Again, to do that, we type in the number. So if I'm checking 5, I type in 5 store x, push enter, and then type in the left and right sides of the original equation. So I'm going to type in this here. 1 divided by 2 times absolute value is under math. Scroll over to number, and it's number 1 there. X minus 3 plus 5. And type in the right side, 2x minus 4. I get 6 on both of those, therefore x equals 5 is a solution. And then do the same thing with -21 over 5. -21 divided by 5, store x. And I would scroll up until I get to the 1/2 times the absolute value of x minus 3 plus 5. Gives me 8.6. The 2x minus 4 gives me -12.4. Therefore, this one is not a solution. Only x equals 5. And number 3 tells us 4 consecutive odd integers have a sum of 376. We are asked to write an equation and solve it to find the 4 integers. So if I call my smallest integer x, let's suppose that that is 73. So the other ones would be 75, 77, and 79. These are not right, but if the smallest one's x, the next odd integer is always 2 more than that. And the next one is 2 more than that, and then 2 more than that. So if I call the smallest one x, the next one's x plus 2, x plus 4, and x plus 6. It tells me they have a sum, so we add them up, of 376. Combine up your like terms. I've got 4x's plus 12. Divide both sides by 4. I get x equals 91. So my numbers are 91. 2 more than that would be 93. X plus 4 would be 95. And x plus 6 would be 97.